What's up, y'all? Drake from Walmart here. Just kidding. What's up, guys? Jacob here. Today, we're gonna be trying some of the best New York City food ever. Okay, maybe not ever, but some pretty good food. I'm starving. Oh yeah, also, we're wearing the perfect New York City walking shoes. Shout out, Crocs. All right, then. Let's go eat. What's interesting about these bagels is that they're hand-rolled, kettle-boiled, and baked over wooden planks. All right, guys, so here we are at Tompkins Square Bagel. A recommendation of Matt James, so you know it's gonna be fire, okay? He does not lie. So we're gonna try this, first time trying these bagels, and you know you gotta start your day off in New York City right with a bagel. So let's go inside and get a bagel. Bacon, egg, and cheese to be exact. Get a bacon, egg, and cheese on an everything bagel with a half scoop toasted in butter.
Bigger than you.
Drake. I'm excited for this one. I need to stop eating when I'm starving, but it's a common trend. Let's see what we got. Look at that. Oh my God, this is actually so exciting. This is like a highlight of my day, maybe even a highlight of my week. I'm ready to take a bite of this. Enough looking at it. First bite. Wow, this is actually, I'm not gonna lie, this is the best bagel I have. Bacon egg and cheese so far in New York. I've been looking for a spot. It's just so, I don't know if it's the butter. It's probably the butter, you know. You gotta add butter to this thing. But the crispiness, it's perfectly like crunchy, but still soft on the inside with the bagel. The bacon is super crispy, but not like burnt and not chewy. I hate when the bacon is chewy. So if you like perfectly cooked bacon, a little crispy, but not burnt, this is it. The cheese, I mean, y'all saw the cheese. You see the cheese melting? This isn't a lie. Oh my God. All right, camera girl eats. There was a French toast bagel that I really wanted to try, but this everything bagel is delicious. It just ties everything in perfectly. They actually just released like a new jalapeno bagel, which looks interesting. It's like bringing, I'm sure it's spicy, not for me, but if you like spicy, that's probably a good one to try. I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10. 10. The perfect New York City bagel. Hi guys, 7th Street Burger. That's where we're at, home of the 7th Street Burger, duh. This is the Kips Bay location, by the way. I'm really confused though, because it says La Posada Mexican Food, but on the bottom says 7th Street Burger, so I'm really confused. But nonetheless, let's get us a good burger. This is a type of smash burger though, so it's not gonna be thick, it's gonna be nice and thin. Let's go. $7 for a single patty. Kind of on the expensive side. Nice, open her up. You know it's good when the package is all greasy like that. Oh. Look at that. First bite. I love how soft the bread is. It's really nice, as you can see. And the sauce is really good. It's like a savory, and it's got these little, it's not pickles, you know, it's like a little, maybe it is chopped pickles. Onion? Definitely onion in there. I didn't get pickles. Sorry guys, I don't do pickles. It was delicious. Okay. Oh, it's all juicy, so. And you know what? I love the size of it too. I'm not a fan of like really big burgers. This is a good size, okay? Remember guys, size does matter. I'm gonna give this one 7.5 out of 10. It's a good burger, but I think there's better out there. If you wanna see other great, amazing food, follow my Instagram right here. Camera woman gets to eat.
All right, y'all. Me, I love smash burgers. It's like one of my favorite burgers in terms of texture. I really love the bread on this. Honestly, this is like top tier for me. If I would just make any addition, it would be add lettuce and tomato. But with that, honestly, this would be like a 9 for me. I love it.
All right, it is time for some desserts because we had burgers so far. We've had a delicious breakfast bagel, and now how about some chocolate? All right, here it is, y'all. $20 chocolate bar. Is it worth the hype? We're gonna find out. Here we go. Oh. Look at it, it's creamy in there. It's rich, pistachio. I'm a pistachio fiend, okay? So I'm gonna rate this pretty harshly. Are you ready? First bite. Oh my God. That is delicious. So chocolatey, so rich. The pistachio filling is just, it's like creamy. Imagine a Kit Kat with like pistachio filling that's like creamy but crunchy. It's honestly so good. Is it worth $20 though? That's tough. Because chocolate's chocolate, and most chocolate tastes really good because it's just sugar. I'd say it's a once in a lifetime try. I would definitely get it at least one time. The flavor and everything and the texture, I would rate like a 10. It's like really good. It might be even too sweet for some people if you don't like a really sweet chocolate bar. But for me, I love sweet things. I'm gonna give it a 10, and I love pistachio. All the way from Dubai. Definitely worth it. Think of all the coffees you buy, okay? You can spare 2 coffees for a chocolate bar. All right, camera girl gets to eat. Okay.
Oh, wow. I've never had something like that before. That is delicious.
What would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. There you go.
Oh my God.
Come in and try. So what's nice about this place is you can actually, all those little like candies that were there, you can actually try every one of those for free. So it's really worth it to come and try one. Just don't come here if you have a nut allergy, because you're not gonna have a fun day. All right guys, so it's a little late night right now, and I think it's time that we go get some pizza. We're in Times Square, as you can see by the bright lights. We're gonna go to Joe's Pizza. I actually never tried Joe's before, so I'm pretty excited to try it, and we'll see if it lives up to the hype. Guys, I'm pretty sure this place is only famous because Spider-Man put them on. I'm not gonna even lie. So we're gonna find out, like I said. If it's good, I'll tell you if it's good. If it's bad, I'm not gonna lie. I will say that it was trash dookie. The line is stupendously long. So let's go wait on it and see if it's worth it. Let's go. I think I passed literally like 200 people. Crazy, to say the least. There's a lot of good pizza in New York. It's literally 99-cent pizza right behind us. There's no line on that one. The inside of Joe's was extremely busy. It really made me wonder what Joe's mama's house looked like. Let me stop. But yeah, I was right. Spider-Man really did put them on because this place was packed like sardines. The pizza looked delicious though, I'm not gonna lie, and they were going ham in there. They had all kinds of pizzas, but I gotta say, even though the line was super long, they were moving quick. And shout out to this guy at the front desk. He was putting in work with that customer service. We ended up ordering 1 pepperoni and 1 cheese slice. You gotta go with the basics. Pretty good. I wish it was a little more like crispy on the bottom, to be honest. But fold it. No fold first, then fold on the rest of it. Ooh. It's good. It's good, but is it the best in New York? I don't know. I'm gonna try the cheese next, and then I'll give you guys a rating. Yeah, so let me get another bite. No. I'm really hungry right now, so I'm a little biased. I'm actually starving. It's giving Joe's a little bit extra points here. The crispiness, like I said, I wish it was a little more crispy here. The sauce is delicious though, and the cheese is perfect, honestly. Pepperonis, pretty good size, and they give you a lot of pepperoni as well. And one slice was $4.50, I believe. So, not the cheapest, but not the most expensive either. Let's try a classic cheese. You gotta go with the basics, y'all. You gotta go with pepperoni and cheese. It's a good cheese flavor. Honestly, I think I prefer the pepperoni more. Camera woman gets to eat on this channel. Consider yourself lucky. All right, so what are your thoughts?
I gotta try the pepperoni again.
Don't eat all my pepperoni.
Ooh. That one is nice and crispy, but I think I like the flavor of the all cheese better.
Me too, actually. I think I'm slowly switching.
Usually, I've only been going for pepperoni lately, but this all cheese, I'm sleeping on that.
Yeah. Cheers. Don't eat all my pepperoni. I'm just kidding. She bought the meal for me, so it's hers if she wants. I'm gonna give it a solid 7 out of 10. It's pretty good, but I think there's better out there. Is it worth it? I'd say yeah. If you're coming to New York or you're visiting New York and you want pizza, give Joe's a try. It's good pizza, conveniently located in Times Square. However, that means be prepared to wait on a long, long line. Guys, it's a little later in the day, 11:30 to be exact, and I think we're feeding for a New York City hot dog. You gotta have a hot dog if you're in New York City. I don't care if you don't like hot dogs, give them a try because it's a staple in New York City food. There's about a hot dog stand in every corner of this place. I could turn left or right and there'll be a hot dog stand, but there is one hot dog stand specifically called John's Hot Dogs, which we're gonna go to, which are supposedly the best hot dogs in all of New York, at least in Manhattan. I can't speak for the other boroughs. Is it worth it? Let's go. Hot dog, New York. Let's give it a try.
I need more emotion.
This hot dog is bussin'.
Used to say something like,
When it's late night and you're smacked, you don't want a hot dog. Because it's the only thing open. Well, that and probably pizza. Get you a hot dog. They're on every corner, honestly. I know I said to go to John's, but you can trust any hot dog stand in New York. They're gonna get you right. Another bite. Oh. And don't hate on me because I only put ketchup. That's how I like it. You get it how you like it. If you want onion, mustard, chocolate, I don't care. Do what you gotta do. Me, I like just simple ketchup on my hot dogs. Tell me how you like your hot dogs down below. If you think this is a travesty, leave a comment down below. As always, hot camera girl gets a bite.
oh thank you. Pretty good.
There you go. There you have it. Pretty good. I'm gonna give this one for a hot dog, street hot dog. I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10, y'all. 8 out of 10 for the hot dog. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you want more food, if you love food in general. I know you all love food. Who doesn't love food? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.